Unforeseen circumstances like the COVID-19 lockdown can turn urban planning upside down. Hundreds of data signals from various sources are humanly impossible to model. AI unlocks data-driven insights to help plan cities better.
Right now, we're seeing cities in a state of flux. They've been impacted by this global pandemic of COVID. Office buildings that were once full are sitting empty. Areas that were once not well populated are suddenly more populated than usual. Cities in a position where they have to demand forecasting around what services do they have to offer in terms of public safety and road maintenance, infrastructure maintenance, and infrastructure investments in rail, roads, and other transportation-related areas. Urban planning and development is really about anticipating where people are going to live, work, access public transportation. Cities are seeing more data than they've ever seen. The Internet of Things collecting more data than ever before about occupancy, payment compliance, and enforcement issues. AI can analyze this data and help cities anticipate what's next, help cities see patterns that they previously didn't see before. And the outcome here is to provide some predictability, not only for the cities, but to help make the city, more sustainable. AI is going to play a big role in making urban settings much smarter.
Want to know more about how AI can help with better urban planning? For every traditional enterprise, there is a Findability Sciences solution.